All right. Good morning, class. I know, no tie, a hat. What is he doing? Well, I am on a little bit of a vacation. I had some family that are moving out of the country, as I think I've mentioned it before, and this is the last time we're going to get to see them for a while. So I took a couple days off before they're headed out to Japan, which is crazy. Now, your job today is to take this test, and I'm going to tell you right now, it is going to be tricky. And I have two options for us. Now, the first one is going to be, well, let me first get started by saying this is for EOG preparations, right? I'm going to be honest, we're not prepared, and that's okay. No one is really that prepared for these, especially in math. We've had to do some catch up from last year, and I haven't been able to get close to as much stuff done just because of virtual stuff and COVID and all that jazz. It's just not the best situation. So, that's a bit unfortunate, but what I want you to do is I want you to scroll down to the bottom of this link that I've got here. And I want you to take the course challenge. It says again for me, but I ran through this real quick and I even got an 83%. That was without using paper, which brings up the first point of I want you to use paper and pencil while you're doing this. I want you to use scratch paper. I want you to take your time. You're going to click on this. You're going to say, let's go. And it's going to give you 30 problems. Some of these are going to take a bit of time, right? And some of them are a bit tricky. So let's go ahead and look at a couple of them, right? Flannery used 30 lilies and 78 roses. Oh man, we haven't talked about this in forever. Well, we didn't give much time to prep, which is really hard. So here I would say 30L plus 78R, right? 30 lilies, 78 roses. There you go. I think that should work. Oh, see, even I'm not getting them perfect. I misread the question. I probably should have read it. Anyway, you might get this give it another shot situation. If that's the case, you could be like, I think I need help. If you press the get help, it tells you exactly what to do. This is a long problem. Some of these are going to be way hard, and that is okay. So go ahead and do that real quick. And then what we're going to do after this is we're going to go ahead and give me a second here. I'm going to pause the video. Sorry about that. Had someone knocking at the door. So what we have to do once we finish all of those problems, that's your goal. If you don't finish them all, try and finish them all during breaks or during your time on Wednesday between classes. If you have some time during your, do this instead of iReady as an option. I'll go ahead and let your other teachers know that this is fine. So this is really important. Now, get help seems a little confusing. I need you to try that as well as you can. And then if you're really just not doing this, you can do get ready for 7th grade. If these problems are just they're way too hard. Not like kind of hard, but you don't want to do it, then go ahead and click on get ready for 7th grade. And then you can start the course challenge right now. And this is just like a little bit easier. This one says there are 28 ounces in a gallon and 4 quarts in a gallon. Oh, I do 128 divided by 4, which is, doing this in my head right now, 32, right? Yeah. And then when you get it right, it says, nice work, keep going, or see how we answer this question. If you're like, I want to see how, click or see how we answer this question. Anyway, you're going to keep going through these. There's 30 problems. This is a great, great test for what the EOGs are going to cover. And I'm going to say it right now. I do not expect you to know all of this. And you're going to get frustrated. That's okay. It's inevitable. It's so unfair that we weren't given a ton of time on these and the year worked this way and that we even have to take these. So, and if you're one of those people who is not going into the building to take the EOGs, you still should do this. It's still very good review. So do this. And when you're done, I want you to go ahead and take a screenshot. If you don't know how to take a screenshot, take a picture of your final score. And you're going to go ahead and submit that in Canvas. So there's a submission place, and it should work. If it doesn't work, send it to me in an email, or just save it and you can show it to me when we come back. So Thursdays are our EOG day, so let's get as prepared as we can, and I hope you guys can power through. And then we're going to have an awesome, fun, exciting rest of the year, talking about some of the most fun, just applicable and fun parts of math for the last 3 weeks. So, all right, that's it. Have a good one, y'all. I will talk to you. I'll see you later. Bye.